This video is about the most profitable ideas in AI. How do entrepreneurs implement AI right now? Which services already exist and which you can actually offer without even have any programming skills or knowing how to code. And of course, how much you can earn with that skills and services. You know that I'm a founder of multiple startups, but I'm not a developer. I have been in this industry since 2021 and I have seen a lot. So let's go! The first and I think probably the most popular area in AI this year so far, it's AI assistant. But this area can be divided into several points. And we will start from personalized GPTs. GPTs can be used for different tasks, right? There's a specific platform where all GPTs are located and you can create easily GPT for your business tasks or, for example, to offer as a service to create it for someone else. GPTs are customizable AI bots that you can train on your database. This is a very important point. Such GPTs often in demand because by creating or purchasing highly customizable GPTs, companies or entrepreneurs receive such a highly targeted AI assistant. Because to be honest, entrepreneurs and businesses do not need all knowledge base which ChatGPT has, but they really need a specific knowledge about their own business. Imagine how it improves the business, right? And imagine how many people out there in the world really need help with that. It doesn't need to be only a technology company to implement GPT. However, it's right now everywhere. Let's talk about the price. So the creation of GPT starts from $200 up to $1,000. It depends how well you know your client and how good you can sell. And of course, what is your market. This price is only for the cases where the client came to you and already said what should be done, like what should be implemented in GPT, what they want to see, and they also gave you knowledge base. But in case if you have to develop the entire idea of GPT and help them to come up with the idea which process could be automated, which process could be automated and optimized, then of course you can charge more. The next point of AI assistants is the creation of AI assistants for websites. And I think that this is more profitable niche. GPTs, this is of course cool, but they have pretty limited capacity and capabilities, right? Such an assistant can perform pretty simple tasks, such as answering very basic questions, to more complex tasks, like website navigation and product selection. I've created a couple of chatbots for different websites and it was pretty successful because it's really helped businesses to figure out what is going on their own website, because sometimes when the website is so large, people do not understand where they have to go in order to find something. And remember, I'm not a technical person. That's why I think these ideas are for everyone. And these AI chatbots are already working great at this stage of AI development. And once the person asks something, then this AI assistant will look through the data which you gave and will answer in a human-like conversation, as a human should answer. In case if AI don't have that information knowledge base, it simply says that unfortunately I cannot answer you that question, but it's very great if I can connect you with our assistant and then schedule the meeting, or for example transfer that question to assistant, or actually collect all of the questions which couldn't be answered within knowledge base in some Excel spreadsheet. Because entrepreneurs or businesses do not need all knowledge base which ChatGPT has. They simply need something which is tailored for their business and maybe somehow adjusted also to their own workflow or their customer database. So you can create similar bots for completely different industries. For example, bots for writing scripts, bots for analyzing email messages, and for training employees. I've created a few bots for myself. The one bot is helping me with YouTube scripts. So this is the first one. The second one was the bot which helped me to create presentations. And the third bot, it was to learn new English words, which is from advanced English, which I maybe do not know because I speak in 4 languages, but of course English is not my native language. So that's why I always have to improve myself. I really recommend you to go directly into GPT's marketplace. It's like inside of ChatGPT if you have paid subscription. And just to search what exists there, because there is thousands, like tens of thousands different GPTs for completely different topics. But this is a place where you can come up with some great ideas and know what to offer to your potential customer. And one great example is a company which are selling sports equipment on Amazon. So they have created a bunch of products that needs to be correctly described in the product card. And in order to do so, like they have to do all of this manually, right? And with the help of GPT, they insert the database of all the products, and GPT help them to create the great cards with the keywords inside. If you are still here, subscribe to this channel to receive more information about AI in business and career. From founder living in Silicon Valley, because I share lots of things, and also I have AI resource library where you can find different links for different free tools and some guidance how to create free website in 2 minutes and many others. The link is below. Another idea is also AI bots which inside of your social network. So it's not bots inside of GPTs or website or voice assistant, it's inside of your social networks. It could be very customized and it's not inside of the business, but it's just general bot but for a specific niche and topic. For example, if this bot acts like a lawyer, then it could be niched down to some specific tasks. It can be also more focused on patenting, for example, and then you can sell this bot as a subscription to different patent lawyers who can implement it and use it for their clients, just having different names of these bots, and then their clients can receive information through this bot. It helps with customer support and all of that. So it's also kind of different business model for such services, but this is already more like a product, not as a service, which you create once and then you can sell to different people. It's not customized, right? Or maybe a small customization like the change of the name of the bot. And this could be like $10 per month, $20 per month, but you charge them monthly. For example, you can integrate such assistant into WhatsApp or Telegram or any other chat, or for example even direct messages on your Instagram account. So many entrepreneurs want that the communication with their potential clients or customers or existing clients will be performed in social networks, because people like when they get instant support and help in their messenger. Today, AI makes the entire process more personalized and more convenient and more optimized. It really works out like an employee, but you don't need to pay to that person, right? So that's cool, because of course AI as well costs money, but that's less than hiring a person. And for solo entrepreneurs or for small businesses, it's a huge help in their operational process. And also you can offer, for example, implementation of GPTs on the website, having own GPTs, and then implementation similar GPTs to the social networks. And of course, it's paid separately and it's different services from you. Another opportunity is voice assistants. Now they start to gain popularity amount of different businesses and creators. They are being implemented to the sales department even. Can you imagine it? These assistants also existed before. But do you remember that awful assistant which has robotic voice, which cannot even perform fully the conversation? But right now with AI, it's completely different. And have you ever heard that crazy great quality of different voices from 11 Labs? Oh my god, you can Google it and you will be amazed how many different voices created by human, cloned by human. I also cloned my voice, and you can see that in this video because that was crazy experience. And I also created a couple of videos with that voice assistants, so it was cool. So with AI, such voices can be built very easily that you cannot distinguish it from the real human voice. So just imagine how much money it could save you as a sole entrepreneur if you have just this voice assistant who can answer to every call and also call to all your potential clients or existing clients, and they also can be assigned to some specific tasks, even some roles. For example, creating a voice assistant who will be a sales representative or who would be a customer support manager. And based on that, build all the communication. So I think this is a perfect solution for solo entrepreneurs or for small entrepreneurs, small businesses, but this will save money and also help to create bigger business. And the price for such services starts from $500 and beyond. The last but not least and the most profitable opportunity is AI avatars. It's AI content creation, but exactly in 3D avatars niche, which is the most profitable among all of them. Because with AI avatars, it's possible to perform not only just text, which we discussed in the beginning of the video, not only voice communication, but also voice text plus video. That's a very great opportunity, and many businesses right now start implementing it, and you can charge easily starting from $1,000 for a creation of AI avatars for different businesses, because you can clone their persona based on video and based on photos. You can also clone their voice. You inject their knowledge base, and if it's needed, you also can connect to different social networks and to the website and to different applications. That's very cool, and I think it's more complex. Of course, you need to invest more time into diving deeper into this industry. And one of the best platforms for creating AI avatars is HeyGen. I know the founder of this cool startup, so try it as well. So I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and to know about top 3 AI tools for every small business owner, watch the next video.